Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through how to go about resetting your browser completely to factory default. So the reason why you might want to do this is if you are getting some weird issues with your browser, or let's say you have some extensions on there that you really are giving you some troubles, and for some odd reason, let's say you can't remove them, you can reset your browser. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do this in Chrome. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the three little dots at the top, and we're going to go to Settings. And if you type in here, you can just hit Reset. So, and from here you will see an option that says Restore Settings to their original default. This basically means this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. So we're going to go ahead and click Yes. And we can click, so we're going to go ahead and click that. So that's going to pretty much reset your Chrome back to factory. Now, another thing you can do is, let's say you've tried this, it still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can go to Control Panel. So if you go to Start and go to Programs, there we go, add and remove programs. And from here, you can go in and just literally click on Google Chrome. And you should be able to click on the little thing and just click on Install. And then you can reinstall it and get a fresh, clean install of Google Chrome if you're still having issues with your browser. For Edge, you can do the exact same thing. So again, for Edge, now the only thing with Edge is you're not going to be able to reinstall Edge because it comes with Windows. But if you go to Settings, so click on the little dot, Settings, and then just search for Reset here. And then Restore Settings to their default value. Same thing here. Hit Reset, and it's going to reset everything back to kind of nice, clean, fresh version of Edge. So if you like this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel or want to support it, please subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in further videos, feel free to click on that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.